first thing you want to do is go to Pinterest. Today I'll be making a yellow wallpaper, so I like to search cute yellow wallpaper. And you get a lot of options. The next website we're going to be using is Canva. Canva is a digital design software that is super easy to make collages with and is free. So depending on whether you want to make this for your computer or your phone, you click on create a design and you can put in custom dimensions or you can use a pre-selected dimensions. I like using Your Story for phones. Hey guys, editing me here. So after this video, I just realized that when I tried to put the wallpaper on my phone, it did not fit. So please do not choose my story. Instead, go to Google and put in your phone name, and after that, search up screen size pixels, and it'll show you the amount of pixels that your screen is, so you can put that size in Canva and it'll fit perfectly. Now back to the video. Once you have this open, you're going to go to Pinterest and you're just going to find pictures that you like. Once I find a picture that I like, I will copy and paste it into Canva. And I like to have a mix between quotes and pictures. So I just choose pictures that look pleasing to the eye. And if you'd like to crop a picture, you can click the crop function above here. And you can scale it to whatever size that you'd like. It just takes a bit of messing around with to find what you like. If you want to send an image to the back, just right click the image and you click send to back and it sends to back. If you want the image on the right to all the way to the back, you just click send to back and then it sends it behind all of the layers. If you wanted to send it behind only one layer, then you can just click send backward, which sends it behind one layer. I hope that makes sense. So now I'm just going to continue looking on Pinterest for more images that I like and copying and pasting them. I forgot to say this earlier, but you can just use the Control V or Command V and it makes life a whole lot easier when you're copying and pasting. But I find that when copying on Pinterest, you have to right click, otherwise it will copy the link. Again, if I want to bring this image to the front, I just click bring to front and you can move it around however you like. I like to make it a bit offset so that the wallpaper is a little bit organic and messy. But again, you can do however you choose. You can do it grid. This is just a really fun way to get that custom look. So this is great if you just have some general idea of what you want it to be, but if you have something specific in mind, you can just search it up and use that. It doesn't even have to be wallpaper. You can use any sort of images that you like. You can use your own images or nature images. It's whatever you'd like to do. One thing I like to do is to resize images, because if there's any backgrounds or parts of the picture you don't like, you can cover up those parts and just play with it. So now that I've finished, if you're using Canva, all you have to do is click the download button. So you can go here and click download, and it suggests you download it as a PNG, but you can also download it as a JPG or a PDF. And if you have multiple pages on the slide, you'll have to select this page you want, but since I just have one, now I'm just going to click download, and it'll say preparing your design. And after it prepares, it'll show up in the download bar down below, and you can go ahead and email it to yourself and then open it up on your phone and set it as your wallpaper. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.